pasta is making me hungry.
Okay, it's almost ready. Actually, pass me that dish, please.
Sure.
Thank you. And I'm gonna make a rain Parmigiano Reggiano. That looks like about enough. It's like lobster. I think you can never have enough lobster either. Steffi, are you having fun?
I sure am. I mean, I can't wait for our rustic Italian menu in episode 4. It's gonna be a blast.
Is that when you're coming back?
Of course. It's Italian night.
It's a perfect night for you to come back.